goodness, I am leaving the campground and this is now the road. I've never seen this before. Maybe it's a good idea that we're leaving. I thought about staying another night, but I imagine I could get stuck here. I'm not in a truck, I'm in a van. If that gets any higher, people are gonna be stranded on the island. On the inlet. Oh my goodness. This is the only road out. Well, that was crazy. Thought I'd film that because I didn't know how deep it was. That's pretty cool. I just love the birds. They're everywhere. Oh yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. This is what the entrance looks like to the way to go to Long Point. And one more sign I could probably get. This is at the entrance of SR A1A. That plant is hiding it. Right there. This is Long Point, and then someone's building construction there. And then there's another one that's right there at the entrance, at the A1A entrance.